Activity. We make a disc. In this disc there are two circles. In small circles there are Roman numbers. In large circles there are integers value. We attached these circles by a screw. We rotate the circle and find out the values of Arrange the following Roman numerals in ascending order: C, D, V, X, I, L. These alphabets are Roman numbers. Solve it. In small disc, there are different color in each Roman numeral. In big disc, there are same color as small disc. Then we have to match these colors. First numbers we have C. Then we rotate it. You can see the C Roman number color match to the 100 integer color. Then C Roman number match to 100 integer. Then its value is C value is 100. We write it. C value is equal to 100 integer. Then next value we have D. D Roman number color match to 500 integer color. Then we can write D value is equal to 500. We write it. Next value is V. We rotate it. Then V color match to 5 integer color. V value is equal to 5. Next X. X color match to 10 integer color. X is equal to 10 integer. Next we have I. I match to 1. It means I color match to 1 integer color. Then we put I value 1. Last we have L. We rotate it. L color match to 50 integer color. Then we can write L value is equal to 50. Then we arrange Roman numbers in ascending order. The smallest number is 1 I. First we write 1. 1 is the smallest number, then the next is 5. Next 10. 10 is biggest than 5. Next we have 50. Next 100. 100 is biggest from 50. 500. 500 is bigger than 100. Then we arrange Roman numbers in ascending order. First of all, 1. 1 indicates to I. Then the smallest number is the I. Next, 5. 5 indicates to V. Next, we have V. 10. 10 indicates to X. Next, 50. 50 indicates to L. 100. 100 indicates to C. 500. 500 indicates to D. We arrange the Roman numbers in ascending order by rotating the disc. It is a fun activity.